Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot and welcome to our RV. We are actually on the road and traveling to visit some friends, and in today's video I want to share with you how you can still eat really healthy on the road, because a lot of times that is challenging, finding healthier options, and the perfect way to do that is obviously with microgreens. So I actually grew this tray prior to us leaving. That way we would already have access to them and be able to just harvest them and add them to our sandwiches and breakfast and whatever we have, and still feel good about being able to have nutrient-dense food while we're on the road. These trays are perfect for traveling. The 10x10 trays is what we use in our microgreen grow kits. It doesn't take up a lot of space, so whether you're in the RV, a camper, maybe you're staying in a hotel, or even a truck driver, these would be perfect for anybody traveling and still wanting to eat really healthy. So growing your microgreens before you leave for your travels is the perfect way to already have greens available as you're traveling. Now let's say you've eaten all those greens and maybe you're going to be gone away from home for a couple weeks or a month or whatever it might be. That's where our grow kits would come in handy, and you could actually grow them on the road. So our kits come with 2 trays, the bottom tray without holes and your tray with holes. And I'm just going to walk you through how easy and simple this is to grow greens on the road while you're traveling. Our kit comes with soil. So you'll just empty the soil inside the tray with holes. We're just going to even this out. Our bag of soil actually is good for 2 grow cycles, so there's enough soil in there to grow 2 rounds, and a little bit more. So as you can tell, you really just need a very small space in order to grow nutrient-dense food, greens. So you can kind of see there, I've got the soil in. And one thing I always like to do is take the tray without holes and kind of press down to get a nice even surface. And you want to make sure you bring water with you. Some nice, good filtered water. You're going to wet down the soil. Now you don't want a lot of water where it's just like sopping wet. That should be good. And then we actually have our little seed packets that are pre-measured for these trays. So you'll use this entire packet for the tray. Today we're going to grow our salad mix. And this has broccoli, kale, cabbage, kohlrabi, and arugula. You get so much goodness in this little seed packet while you're away on your travels. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. And you're just going to sprinkle these seeds right on top. You want to make sure they're spread out pretty even. You don't want them clumped up on top. So just sprinkle them out the best you can. Like I said, the entire packet will go in your tray. And it's just that easy. It's so easy. I don't know if you can see those tiny little seeds. You will sow them very densely. And then, again, one more water. Okay, and then you're going to take that bottom tray that doesn't have holes, and you're going to place it on top, just like this. And we're going to place weight on top. So let's say you're out and about and you forgot to bring something to put on top. You can literally grab anything. I was looking over here. We have a bag of apples, oranges, just something with weight that you could put on top. Maybe if you already have this tray of microgreens, you could put that on top. And I just searched around where we were at, and I actually found this rock, which was perfect, and it'll fit right on top. So you want to press weight on top so you get nice even germination. You get that seed soil contact. It just makes for a really good growing cycle. You want all those seeds to germinate nicely, and just having a little bit of that pressure really helps them grow really strong. You'll keep it like this for 4 days. So I would go ahead, as you're eating on these ones, I would go ahead and start another growing cycle going. That way, as soon as you're done with this one, you got fresh greens again. It is literally that easy. You'll keep it like this for 4 days. And then after 4 days, you'll go ahead and take the rock, brick, book, whatever you have off. You'll take this tray and place it underneath, and then you will see that they have sprouted. They're going to start growing a little bit taller. They will actually start pushing up that rock in those 4 days. It's really incredible to see. So after you take all that off, you're going to place this tray on bottom, and that's when you're going to start watering it. And I always like to bottom water my microgreens. And so you'll just lift this tray up. You'll put enough water just to cover the bottom of this tray. You don't want to fill it all the way up. Just cover the bottom, and then you're just going to water it for the next 4 to 6 days, and you can actually start harvesting it anywhere from day 7 to 10. You could go a little bit longer on the grow cycle. Your greens will just start tasting a little bit more bitter, but it's fine if that's what you like. You're just going to snip them and use them as you need them. I would definitely start about day 7 through 10, and then after like day 10, if you still have some on here, a lot of times I like to go ahead and harvest them all and store them away. Maybe you don't have access to a refrigerator or cooler or something while you are on the road, so it's going to be perfectly fine. Just leave them in there, continue to water them, continue to snip them and eat them, and add them to all your foods. You still have access to really good, healthy food to nourish your body even while you're on the road. I think this is just such an incredible thing for anybody and everybody, whether you're at home and you want to grow these fresh greens on your kitchen counter, or you're traveling. The microgreen grow kits are perfect literally for anybody. So I just wanted to share this with you guys today. Maybe you are getting ready to travel and you're kind of worried about the food situation. You still want to stay on track. You still want to have really good nourishment for your bodies. Check out our microgreen grow kits. These are perfect for you, for anybody. Grow them before you leave. Take them with you. Grow them while you're on the road. You can do it either way, or do it both like we're doing. So our grow kits actually come with 3 different seed variety packs: your salad mix, micro broccoli, and sunflower shoots. So check out barefootmicrogreens.com. Grab you a microgreens grow kit for your travels, for your home use. Even buy them for a friend for a gift. These things are wonderful. You can give someone the gift of health. You can give your family the gift of health while you're out traveling away from home, or even grow them from home right on your kitchen counter. So we're talking about growing in a small space. Maybe you have a tiny home. Maybe you're in apartment living. You still grow your own food. It's incredible. Everyone needs a grow kit in their home. So check out barefootmicrogreens.com and grab yourself a grow kit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, we appreciate you guys, and just help us share the microgreen love. Please share our videos. Help us reach everybody all over the world. Help nourish your bodies no matter where you are. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please like and share our videos, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Catch you guys on the next video. See you later.